Okay, so I'm going to teach you on how to use PHP to develop an AI chatbot using PHP. So this is an example web page of a PHP. So for example, I will ask uh, what is your name. So if I click the submit button, our message will be sent to an AI model precisely to ChatGPT. So let's see. So here's the response of ChatGPT. I'm just a helpful assistant here to assist you. How can I help you today? Okay. We only have two codes here. First is the index where we input our question. This is how it looks like. And then the second is the process.php. So this is the process PHP. So it gets the value from the index.php, and then this is the API key. So this is API key can be obtained from the OpenAI, so you must register there and load your wallet. And then for this we're using GTPD 3.5-turbo, so it is much cheaper. And here you can explicitly instruct GPT that you are a helpful assistant. And then I've also instructed GPT that if user mentions that he or she is interested in booking a my therapy service, give this number. So that's why if we will if we will go back again and try to express that we're interested. I am interested in your service. Example is our company is a myotherapy company. So let's see. So it says great to hear that you're in our service. If you're looking to book a myotherapy session, please contact to make an appointment. Let me know if you need assistance with the booking process. As you can see, GPT added information that we didn't uh, instructed, or we didn't explicitly coded. So that's the beauty of AI. So it has its own intelligence. So you just need to input a question or anything, and GPT will use its own intelligence to respond like a human being. Okay, that's it for now. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you'll be updated on my next videos. Thanks.